Toyota Fortuner is the most confusing SUV in the Dubai market. Some people call it perfect, some people call it waste of money. Today I'll tell you who should buy it, who should not. So let's get started. This is 2025 model Fortuner brand new car. It has LED light, fog light, nice front grille. See, it has also Toyota logo, alloy wheels. 2.7-liter always come fabric seat. See the steering. It has DVD, manual air condition, automatic transmission. It has 7 seats. This is suitable car for a family. Power windows, speakers over there. If I show you from the behind, there are no more features, but price also cheap, you know that. This engine and Prado 2023 engine is totally same, but here features is little less. Automatic transmissions, key start, air condition panel also manual. Petrol price cheaper than diesel one. This one EXR. If I show you from the behind, back, I'm opening back door. It has camera, rear camera. See, it has 7 seats. This is very nice car for a family because this one cost also less. You'll get all accessories every single shop. See from that side. So you want to buy or not, it's totally up to you. If you want more features, then you should not buy it. But if you need less features but sustainable, reliable, strong engine, then you can go for this one also. This is the engine. If you like this video, please share it. And if you need more videos like that, then subscribe our channel. Thank you so much.